This is his day. There's no training today. None at all. It's just because of your back leg. Whatever he wants to do. Whatever direction he wants to go in. Which way do you want to go? Go on then. Go on then, which way? Well, we're just going to stand there, are we? Or are we going to go to the woods? There's something bugging you down there, isn't there? Is there a big nasty lion down there? Eh? That's it, explore. Explore, get that big stick. Get that big stick and put it in your mouth. Go on. Get that big stick and put it in your mouth. Go on, get it. Yeah, you could have that. So I'll carry that. Go on then, get it. Not interested in a stick? Come on then. Come on then, let's go for a walk. Walkies. Walkies. That's it, you've got it. Come on then. That's it, do what dogs do. You can take it with you? You can take it with you? Look, it's snowing leaves. Autumn's on its way. Beautiful time of the year. Come on then. You coming? You taking your stick with you? Get your stick. Come on. Right, you're going to have to step over the lead. Get it, or do you want me to get you a smaller stick? Okay? Go that way so you're over the lead, that's it. Go on then, take it. Go on. Come on, let's go. We're not going to just stand there, that's not keeping us fit, is it? Just come on. You're taking it with you now. Get it in the middle. Work it out. Go on, work it out. Come on then. Catch it in the middle, not one end, dopey. Come on. That's it. Now you've got it. No, now you've let go of it again. Right, I'll flick it up for you. You ready? Go on, get it. Get it. Go on, get it. It's getting you. It's biting you, look. It's biting you. Come on, get it. Okay, I thought you were intelligent. You're daft as well, aren't you? Which is a good thing. It's good to have a bit of craziness about you. I'm a little crazy as well. Right, step over that. Step over that way so I can get the lead sorted. That's it. Right, onwards and upwards. Come on. Right, now you're taking it with you. Come on then. No, you're going to keep picking it up, dropping it, picking it up, dropping it, picking it up, drop. Leave it. Leave it. We'll get a decent stick. Oh, is that it, is it? I'm laying down. He's just pulled me and laid down. I'm not going anywhere about that stick. Are you coming? I'm going to have to use that magic word, aren't I? Hiccup. Hiccup. Come on. Come on, that's it. That's got your mind off this stick, innit? Yeah, you could find a little hole that she used to like laying down in, and then a bit further upstream it's deep enough to swim. But I went there the other day before I picked him up. You coming then? Oh, now you're staying there. First you didn't want to go up that hill, and now you don't want to go down that hill. Right, it's your day. Which way are you going? What you can do? Lay down? Oh, you want... We've got to that stick again, look. Go on then. I'm not carrying it. You want it, you pick it up. It's your day. Not my day for picking up after you. That's it. Get clever. Work it out. Watch. Look, get it in the middle. Get it in the middle. Pick it up. Get it. Oh. Come on, leave it then. Leave it. Leave it. No, he's not going to leave it. I'm taking it with me. I can't work it out. I can't work it out how to pick it up in the middle. Come on. Now he's worked it out. Is that the first stick you've carried? Jaeger used to carry a tree trunk home. You coming? Come on then. Oh, let's go on. Right, that opening for Jaeger's place is just there. I'm going to see if he walks down it. Move over. Budge over, look. Budge over. Budge over. Good boy, no panic at all. Hey, what's this place? You want to go swimming? You want to go swimming? Right, easy down the steps because I don't want you pulling me over. Walk slowly. He's not a good boy, look. Walk slowly. Slowly. You have to walk down because slowly. Look at him. He's beautiful, look. Slowly. Slowly. Right, you got that bit wrong. Yeah, this side. River's down this way, look. River's down this way. Now, Jaeger did have no trouble finding her way in or finding her way out. Stay. I'm going the wrong way. Right. Are you going in there? Are you going swimming? Have you been swimming before? I don't know. Wait, right, sit. Sit. I've got to change your... I've got one hand up. Right, sit. Right, wait. Because I've got to take this off my neck. Put this around you. So you can't do a runner. Because you're going to have to go in the river. You going swimming? You going swimming? You can go in if you want. Go on. You can go in if you want. Go in. Go on, you can get... I'm not coming in with you, dopey. He's no good looking at me. Go on, you can get in there. Oh, isn't that beautiful? It's a shame it's all overgrown because I can't see you. Go on then, go and enjoy it. He's having a drink, look. There he goes. You going to lay down in it or just stand there? Jaeger used to lay down in it when she were up. Yeah, Jaeger was alright off the lead here because the recall was fantastic. His is fantastic. But sometimes the dog's on the other side and I don't want him running over there, jumping up, because I've got no chance of getting over there. Well, I have, but I'm going to be wet. You enjoying that? Are you enjoying that? Is that nice, is it? Go on, you can go more yet. There's plenty of lead here. Go out a bit further. That's it, go on. Mind you, I haven't said that. If you don't lay down, your training harness won't get soaking wet. Will it? You enjoying that? Let's see what his recall's like in it. Come here. Dougal. Come here. Dougal. Yeah, he's going to be alright. It's okay, you go and swim. Go on then. Go on then. Good boy. Go and swim. Go on, get in there. Enjoy it. Go on, go and enjoy it. It's your day. Go and enjoy it. Go on. Right, I'm just going to ignore you and then you'll do your own thing.